Welcome, everyone. My name is Vijaya here, and we have got Dr. Aparna Gupte here today to talk about her success story in our weight loss program. Dr. Aparna, welcome to our session here today. Thank you very much for attending. And today's session is mainly for us to understand a bit more about your experience in this program and you as a doctor, your perspective on how this program actually benefits us as an individual for our health and wellness as well. Let's start with Dr. Aparna with a bit about yourself. Can you just have explain to us what you do and how did you got to know about this program? Unmute, unmute.
Thank you, dear Vijaya, for having me as a guest today. I'm super excited as this is my first live session. And let me introduce myself. I'm Dr. Aparna Gupte. I'm from India, Pune. Uh, I'm a practicing doctor since 25 years. And we are also running centers of our old age home, senior citizen home, where we are serving 60, more than 60 old people in our centers. And we have just opened a new branch in Pune. And I'm a proud mother of two children. My elder one is in USA for his higher studies, and my daughter is in medical, and she's in the second year of MBBS.
Oh, thank you very much, Dr. Aparna.
Yes, yes.
How did you got to know about this program? Tell me a bit about
Uh,
yourself
yes,
before
yes,
you
yes,
started this program.
yes, yes. So the first time I got to know about Modern through Facebook. I was impressed by seeing transformation of a lady. She shared her story, and I got in touch with Vijaya. Vijaya explained and told me everything about what is modern and what she is doing, and how she is helping people to reduce the weight and improve their gut health and everything. Uh, Primarily I was a little bit worried and excited how to take any medicine or supplement inside the body, being a doctor. So I researched and studied each and every product of Modern, and to my surprise, all the products turn out to be extremely botanical, extremely pure, and very beneficial to our body.
Excellent.
Yes,
Thank you very
that's
much.
how I got in touch with Vijaya and Modern.
Thank you very much, Dr. Aparna. Yes, that's how I remember you coming to me, and but I also
Yes,
remember
yes.
how you were very skeptical, and you wanted every details, the explanation on program, every fact
Yeah,
sheet
I
was
took
sent
two,
to
three
you.
months to start the
That's right.
program. We ordered it, and
That's right. But it was good actually. So it actually built up your confidence on the program and
exactly.
you getting to know actually what you are taking into your body before you actually commit to the program. I
Yes.
guess you being a doctor, you understand better what's the ingredient and how it affects your body and etc. So it was really a good experience for me as well, being your mentor, where we actually learned so we know that these products are actually beneficial in a sense, like it actually help people in many ways, not only on weight loss, but on a health and wellness aspect as well.
Yes, yes, yes,
Right.
yes.
Dr. Apana, what kind of food do you eat usually in this program?
Let me first tell you the how I gained my weight.
All right.
Means
Yes.
how suddenly I gained my weight. 4 years before, I had gone a major surgery, that is hysterectomy, means removal of uterus,
Yeah.
and I have to sacrifice my both the ovaries.
Yeah.
And you all know how our body react. Means there is a severe hormonal imbalance and drop out from my body, and suddenly I put on huge weight, and I was very depressed, very lazy, and very less energetic, and very much depressed. What should I do? I tried a lot of weight loss program. I used many methods, but none of them work for me. Even I tried gym, and I know abs cannot be made in the gyms. 70% depends on the kitchen and 30% on your exercise.
Absolutely.
But after that, I got to know about Modern, and that's how my journey started with Vijaya and team, and
Mm.
I got in with Modern
Yeah.
program. Yes.
Absolutely. Tell me a bit about what exactly you took in the program. So, for example, some of the products that you had. First, let's start with the products first. What product did you take?
Yes, I have a huge range of products. Everything,
Yeah, I know you.
everything.
Since the
Yes,
program, you have actually stick to the products continuously because I know you
yes,
love the
yes, yes,
products. So,
yes.
yes,
And
yes,
actually, means the COVID pandemic is a good lesson to everyone. How
yes,
much our health is important to us, because being a doctor, we are seeing the patients who are having comorbidities like hypertension and diabetes. They are on high risk, and mortality rate is very high in those patients who are obese and all.
yes,
So health is well.
yes,
You can do it today. Otherwise, you have to take out time for your illnesses in the future.
that's right.
And
Very true.
yes,
Yeah, that's very
uh,
true. That's very
it's
true.
a great lesson. COVID pandemic, we have learned a lesson, all of us.
Absolutely.
So yes, everyone knows that our program is on three stages.
Hmm.
In the first stage,
Mhm.
it's means preparing your body, means your body is shredding to learn the fat rather to store the fat.
Yeah.
It's for 3 days first stage, and in this stage we can eat, we can calorie, means there is no counting of the calorie. We can eat from the food given food list.
That's right.
And from the second stage, we are our weight loss journey started, and every day we lose weight in this program.
Yeah.
And and the third stage is a maintenance stage, 80-20 formula.
Yeah.
Everybody knows that.
Yeah.
And I took the products like Goop in the morning. uh, that's my favorite one. I
Okay.
start
You've
my
got
day
the
with
green
Goop.
tea
Yes, green tea and
fiber.
fiber. Yes,
Absolutely.
yes, yes.
Yeah.
Then
They,
multivitamin is with me.
yeah.
Then digestive liver enzyme I am having.
Yeah.
Then burn I am having.
Yeah.
And in the night I took a prebiotic and postbiotic.
Yeah.
And yes, and shape is also, you send me the bottle of shape too.
That's right.
Yeah, I'm loving the flavor of coconut from
Yeah,
that.
the coconut. Yeah, that's the very,
Yes,
very
yes,
interesting
yes.
flavor actually. And they've got the new chocolate, and there's few more flavors
Oh,
coming in as well. So yes, that's new news for us today. That there's some new flavors coming in for our
wow,
under
wow,
Modia's
wow.
range now. Excellent. What are the foods you usually take in this program? Is it difficult for
Actually,
Vidya
I
Master?
got no. There is no difficult, because I got almost all the products which is there in the food list, which I want,
Mm,
because we can substitute that product.
that's
There
right.
is a store in Pune called Dorabji,
Yeah.
and I got everything there,
Mm.
and I'm lucky in that sense, in that
It,
part, that I got everything that.
yeah.
Even vegetables in our programs like asparagus,
Yeah.
like Brussels,
Yeah.
uh,
Yeah.
many vegetables. They are having super nutritional properties,
Yeah.
many medicines.
Yeah.
I would like to tell about asparagus. We called shatavari in Marathi to asparagus,
Yeah.
and many Ayurvedic medicines are made up from the shatavari, from
Oh,
asparagus.
oh,
Yes, and it's very useful for females in the menarche, starting from menarche, for PCOS, and even in menopause.
oh,
It's
okay.
very useful.
So
Asparagus,
asparagus.
shatavari. Yes,
Okay. Okay. That's new for us. So we should
yes,
all ladies listen to this.
yes.
Asparagus needs to be our frequent diet in our
Many Ayurvedic
food.
products are made up from this vegetable. Yes.
Okay. Excellent. That's something new. All right. So, how is your water intake? Is like, like some of my customers in India, they tend to find it difficult consuming 3 liters of water. Was that is really an issue
No,
there
no,
for you as well?
yeah, we can consume 3 liters and more. It's detox means body can wash out your all impurities from
Yeah,
your stomach, your gut. And you told me that before 5 o'clock, we have to take 3 liters of
yeah,
water
yeah,
to prevent the water retention from our body.
yeah,
And easily we can take 3 liters and more even. I
yeah.
would rather say,
Excellent.
yeah.
Yep, excellent. That's really good. All right. So, what's your advice to others sitting here who's thinking about the program, wondering whether this
I
program is right or
I
not?
would strongly suggest those who want to reduce their weight, even not for reducing weight, those who want to stay healthy. It's not, this is the highlight of our program. It wasn't a diet program, it is the lifestyle change program.
Absolutely.
So everyone should avail this program. Everyone should, those who want to improve their lifestyle. As we see right now, the COVID pandemic, and we have heard lot many of stories who are obese and they are having many problems in these 4 5 months.
Yeah.
And
हेलो
every
Sorry.
woman is a
नहीं नहीं मैं
pillar
मीटिंग
and
मीटिंग में एग्जिट करती हूँ रुको
Sorry, Dr. Aparna. Just give me a minute.
yeah,
Yep, go ahead, Dr. Aparna.
yeah.
Yeah,
And I would rather say a woman is a pillar and a backbone of family.
yeah,
So you should take yourself first.
absolutely.
Yeah.
It's very true. If we are not in the right health, then a lot of things can go wrong in the family. So the ladies,
If a woman is of that house is healthy, the whole house is healthy,
absolutely.
whole family is healthy. Yeah.
That's good to know, Dr. Aparna. So is any words you want to suggest to others sitting here? Is there anything you want to explain to them?
Keep yourself positive, keep yourself motivated, and nothing is impossible in this world. Everyone can do this program. Everyone can do this program.
Yeah,
Nothing is impossible.
yeah,
Yes.
absolutely. Now, Dr. Aparna,
I'm just scared in the previously when I means got to know from you that I have to leave the carbs. I have to means keep off the carbs
yes,
because the Maharashtrian people, the staple food is wheat and rice.
yes,
Means
it was
so
a
I was
challenge. Yes,
little, yeah. It was a challenge,
yes,
but everyone can do.
yeah, absolutely.
Everyone.
That's right. So, Dr. Aparna, would the program be suitable for, let's say, a lady who is healthy, on the right BMI, but would you recommend this program to that person as well?
Yes. Why not? She can choose this program
Yeah. So,
for her gut health and her inner beauty, and means to prevent other illnesses like diabetes and other things.
yes, I remember when you finished that program, your face glow was totally different.
Array.
It was. I
It
remember.
was just superb. Means just I was clicking my pictures and
I know. Yes, that's
I
right.
was
You were doing that.
yes.
It was really amazing because it was a something that I noticed. Of course, the weight changes was one thing, but the glow I
Let
see.
me tell you one thing, Vijaya.
Yes,
That day I saw the interview of Anu Guman. She
yes,
told she has reduced one size of shoes. Even I would
yes,
like to tell you that tummy is the last thing. Tummy fat is the last thing when you reduce. But in this program, really have a flat tummy. Means
absolutely.
it was
Oh my God.
amazing. Just
Yeah,
very good,
that's
very good.
really
Yes.
amazing. That's really good to know because
And
everyone.
all credit goes to you. Without you, my journey was incomplete.
No. You were very determined to do the program, and with your background, you know the benefit of the program, the food and everything. So you had that drive already. You put your mind to
Because
it for yourself.
we can't skip the meals. The whole day, the hectic schedule and
Yeah.
everything, we had to work whole day. We
Yes.
can't skip the meal.
Yes.
And these programs have a lot of benefits that we have 3 meals day, 2 snacks a day,
Yes.
one-to-one mentorship.
Yes.
Your mentor is just a phone call away and just a
Right.
message away from you.
Yes.
And very comfortable meal plan, very comfortable to everyone and affordable too.
Yes, that's right. That's right. And price
Yes.
is not too huge also. And people go based
No, no,
on
no.
their capacity as well. Excellent. So, Dr. Aparna, for a person who is in a good health, good BMI, healthy BMI, you would recommend the program because it helps them with their inner health, detox their health, body, their gut health, and everything. And for a person who's on overweight, you definitely recommend this program because
Definitely.
it will stop them from going towards obese and bring them back towards the healthy BMI.
Normal lifestyle, yeah.
Yes. What would you say to a person who's obese currently? What would you like to say to them? A person who's sitting on an obese stage.
Don't take a second thought, just go for it. Don't take a second thought, just go for it.
Yes.
Because if you don't do it right now, you will never do it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Your
Absolutely.
health is more important. Actually, health is really wealth.
Yeah. That's
Nothing is more important than your health.
That's right. Rather than an out beauty, rather than everyone looking at it from a beauty perspective, people need to look at it from a health perspective, where the program actually helps you recharge your body, bring you back, give you back that confidence in your life, plus that health as well in on a daily basis. All right. So, Dr. Aparna, I'm going to end this recording now, and we are going to take some questions. But thank you very much for today's session. It was
Yes,
really
yes.
amazing having you here. Just give me a minute, and we will end
Just
this recording.
thank you, Vijaya. Just I want to praise you for everything. You are just means very polite, very patiently with everybody, and your means salute to you. Hats off
No,
to you.
thank you very much.
I
Thank
love
you.
you. God bless you.
Thank
Really.
you very much. Thank you.